Good morning dear students, this is the grammar class of 7th standard. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of past tense, okay? That is that topic. Today we are going to learn the subkinds of past tense. Look here dear students, given below are details for each of the tenses. That means here are 4 kinds of the past tense. Look here, simple past tense. The first one is simple past tense. The simple past tense simply mention that the action has taken place in the past period, okay, without indicating the completeness or incompleteness of the action. Look here, here is one example. I ate, that means subject plus V2, okay, and we can say that it is a assertive positive. It is a type of sentence which shows the assertive positive, or we can say that the declarative sentence, okay, declarative sentence. That means in simple past tense the subject plus verb second form come, always remember this, okay, verb second form. Then second sentence, assertive negative. We want to convert this sentence into negative. I did not eat. Look here, when we use did in sentence, that time we use verb first form, okay. In simple past tense we want to convert assertive positive sentence into assertive negative. That time we attach did according to tense and we use verb first form in the sentence. I did not eat. Also we use here one negative word, that is not, okay. Now the third one is interrogative positive. We want to convert this sentence assertive positive into interrogative positive. In this sentence there is no any helping verb and we want to make interrogative sentence, so that we use do, does, did form according to sentence, okay. According to sentence meaning we use do, does, did form, okay. This is the past tense, so that we use here did starting with, because we want to ask interrogative question or we want to prepare interrogative positive, so that we don't use here any negative word, okay. Did I eat? Here we use did, then subject, and then the remaining word, or that is verb. After that at the end we use here one mark, that is question mark. Remember this, look here, question mark. Now we want to change this interrogative positive sentence into interrogative negative, so we attach here, or we use here negative form of that helping verb, did, didn't, okay, or we use here did not also. Didn't I eat question mark. In this way you can convert any assertive positive sentence into assertive negative, into interrogative positive, or into interrogative negative. I hope that you will understand. You can remember this. There is only subject and verb. You can attach here also object or complement according to sentence meaning or sentence structure. You can use that object or complement, okay. Now the second sentence is here, past continuous tense in Marathi चालू भूतकाळ, okay. The formula is yes plus, I already told you that, yes plus was oblique where plus VING plus O. That means verb plus ing. Remember this, okay. Look here, past continuous tense. The past continuous tense indicates that the action was taking place. The action was taking place. That means that was happening in past, okay, in the past, but had not been completed. But had not been completed. That action is not actually completed in the past. Remember this. And here is one example. Assertive positive. I was eating. The same example we are taking here. Okay, look here. I was eating. In this example, I is a subject and we use here was according to subject. Subject is singular, so that we use here was, okay. According to subject we use here was, and if the subject is plural, that time we use which word? Where. We use where, and then the remaining part verb plus ing. Remember, okay. Now the next one, we want to convert this assertive positive sentence into assertive negative, okay. Look here, I was not eating. Only we attach which new words? Not, because we want to convert this sentence into negative. Okay, we want to convert this positive sentence into negative, assertive negative or declarative negative. Declarative or assertive means in Marathi vidhanarthi vakya or simple sentence. Remember this. Okay, I was not eating. Okay, we only attach negative word to convert that sentence into negative. Okay, then third one is interrogative positive. Okay, interrogative positive. I was eating. Look here. Sorry, was I eating? Was I eating? Question mark. According to, look here in this sentence, here is one helping verb. So we can use that helping verb to make our interrogative positive sentence. Okay, so we use here. Okay, we have helping verb. We take this helping verb into citing and then we create interrogative positive. Was I entering, and at the last question mark. Okay, and the last one interrogative negative. That means we want to convert this positive sentence into negative. Was I not? After the subject we use here negative word, that is not. Was I not eating, at the last question mark. In this way we can easily learn what is meant by the simple past tense, and it's the assertive positive, assertive negative, assertive interrogative positive, interrogative negative, and then the past continuous tense, the same things. Okay, I hope that you will understand. The remaining part of this lesson we will see in next video. Thank you.